Hey gang, this is Izzy from Let's Get to Work. Hope y'all are doing pretty well. Today I'm working on replacing the faucet on my bathroom, downstairs bathroom. I apologize, I've just been working on it. It's been a struggle because the old faucet was rusted and all nasty underneath though, so I had to pull a lot of stuff, and then the crawl space is small. But I wanted to show you this faucet. I bought it on Amazon. So in case you guys are looking to buy it, hopefully maybe this kind of shows, just emphasizes the actual faucet. So here it is. It's the Vapsint, I believe, and it's that rustic color, whatever. Looks like it's rustic. Let me show you a big scary one. Must have been here from the apologies, I've been doing my own things around the house. Must have been the original one. And I had my had to wear some eye protection because all the stuff that was rusty was coming down, and then the plastics that are used to hold this thing down, the couplings and everything. It looks like it must have been like a 5-year-old or somebody that put it in there, because literally it was already stripped as it was going out. As you can see, all this stuff is nasty. It's either that or this was the original that came with the house though. So when you do work on these things, just hand tighten them. You don't need a lot to do. Again, this is my bathroom sink, so I'm working on it. I've already cleaned that up a bit, and then I'll put it on there. So what I'll do is I'll put it in product. And I got junk here. I don't care. I got junk here that I need to throw away and maybe keep or whatever. But I just wanted to show you this is where I'm at. So since the fitting on this new faucet is 1/4, I had to buy a replacement washer and a substitute. Check off this here. You may need to do that with yours as well, but check on that before you take the stuff apart, just to make sure. Let me show you what I think is cool about this faucet. Instead of having that little pop-up thing that closes and opens the water, where water goes down, this is kind of just push in, push out. That's good. That's awesome. Thank you for whoever invented that. And of course, who can ever forget the plumber's tape? Can use that to seal that just to make sure, but it's done. And as you can see, it's done. It works really well. No issues. Yeah, I wanted to make this video just as a kind of an FYI for people looking to purchase that Vapsint. So I hope this is kind of beneficial for y'all. You can see that that's the Vapsint faucet, and I got it on Amazon for, I think it was like 50-60 bucks. So I'm doing a little remodelings here again in my bathrooms, and I just wanted to share it. So I hope this works. Y'all have a great day. Let's get to work.